Welcome to Open Minder. Today I will host my Node.js portfolio application to this railway app. Basically, this is an app to host the website based on Node.js application. So uh, for uploading our file, we have to first open our VS Code and go to that folder. So in my desktop, this new folder, we should have a GitHub account because we will have to upload the this repository to the GitHub first. You have to follow my instructions to upload this folder on the GitHub. First, we will have to make a new repository, and we will have to make it public and create repository. After creating repository, we will have to go to our folder. We will have to initialize the Git. After initializing, we have to add these files. After adding these files, we have to commit a message, and our folder is committed. Now we have to upload this repository to our GitHub server. So we have to copy this link. After copying this link, we have to push our files to Git. We will have to wait for some time while our files are pushing to GitHub repository. Now our files have been uploaded to GitHub. We have to go to our GitHub repository and just reload it. So here are all the files which we want to upload on GitHub. Now we have to go to our railway app. We have to first make an login account and then click on start a new project. After clicking start on new project, we have to click on this new icon and we have to go to GitHub repo. Now we have to connect our GitHub account to this railway application. I have already give all the permissions to make this repository or to change this repository. So you will have to follow the same. After doing this setting, when we click on new icon, GitHub repo. So my portfolio account repository is this one. Now it will deploy my application automatically. We will have to just click on this variables, and now we will have to select our environment variables from this file one by one. Click on new variable and then paste. We will have to follow the same for all the three variables. Add and the database password. After doing that, it will automatically redeploy our website, and this process will take some time. So here my file is uploaded to this railway application. Now we can change our website name according to our configurations. We have to go to click on this portfolio, which is the name of our website. Go to setting, and we have to click on this edit icon, and we can give any name which we want. Like I want to give it name, my name, portfolio, and just update it. Now when I go to this link, we will reach our website. which we have already uploaded and hosted to this railway app. It will take some time. Now when we click on this icon, now after some time it will go to my website. And so this is my portfolio app. And here I have used my Node.js application or backend to send the message to my email from this website. So thank you for watching video, and share this video to all your friends so that they can gain this type of knowledge how to host and how to build this type of websites. I will upload more videos later on, so keep in touch with me. Thank you.